everyone! If you are looking for a place to stay here in Makati, let me show you this 3-bedroom condominium. This is located at the Milanos Place near Century Mall. So pagpasok niyo pa lang mga ate ko, makikita niyo na yung kitchen and your elegant dining area. Of course, the city lights and ang napaka-spacious na living area. Sobrang comfortable kami here mga ate ko, and when you go outside the balcony, you will see the mini dipping pool. And look how pretty yung city lights here, napaka-peaceful. Pwedeng-pwede rin kayong tumambay here mga ate ko. And once going back, ayan, makikita nyo ulit yung ating living room. Perfect nga pala to mga ate ko if gusto nyo ng quick getaway. Here is the first bedroom. As you can see, napaka-minimalist lang niya mga ate ko. Napaka-spacious na mga bedroom here, and here you can see the city lights as well. Paglabas mo naman dito mga ate ko, on the right side ay makikita nyo ang ating first na restroom. Super clean nga ng restroom here mga ate ko. May hot and cold shower na rin. Of course mga ate ko, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating second floor. Alam nyo, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami here kasi sobrang tahimik talaga. And here pala mga ate ko is yung fire exit. Once you go upstairs mga ate ko, first pinto sa left is your second restroom. Of course, with hot and cold shower na rin yan mga ate ko. And tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-pretty ang ating second bedroom. May aircon na rin ito mga ate ko, and as you can see, kitang-kita ang city lights. Napakaganda. Last naman will be the master's bedroom. Konti lang actually yung difference niya when it comes to size. Pero here kasi, nasa loob na yung inyong restroom. And here mga ate ko, of course, kitang-kita nyo rin ang city light. Super perfect nga nito mga ate ko. Hanggang dito na lang for now, and see you on my next staycation. Bye-bye!